everyone to our first safety session. Today we will delve into the meaning of fire, its stages, the fire triangle, classifications of fire, and most importantly, how to effectively use fire extinguishers. Let's start by understanding the very nature of fire.
Fire is a chemical reaction that occurs when a combustible material combines with oxygen and heat, producing light and heat. This process is known as combustion.
Fires progress through different stages, namely first is ignition, the initial stage where the fire starts. Second, growth, the fire begins to spread rapidly fueled by available oxygen. Third is the fully developed, the fire reaches its maximum intensity. And lastly is the decay, wherein the fire starts to diminish either due to lack of fuel or intervention.
Understanding the fire triangle is crucial for fire safety. It consists of three components. Number one is heat, the first element necessary for a fire to ignite. Two, fuel, any combustible material that sustains the fire. Three, oxygen, the oxidizing agent that enables combustion.
Fires are classified into 5 categories. First is Class A. Fires involving ordinary combustible materials like wood, paper, and cloth. Second is Class B. Fires fueled by flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, and grease. Third is Class C. Fires involving energized electrical equipment. Fourth is Class D. Fires fueled by combustible metals. And finally, Class K. Fires involving cooking oils and fats.
Now, let's move on to fire extinguishers. A fire extinguisher is a portable device that discharges a jet of water, foam, and gas or other material to extinguish a fire during its ignition stage. It consists of several parts. First is the discharge lever, a handle or lever used to activate the extinguisher and release the extinguishing agent. Second is the discharge blocking pin, a safety pin inserted into the handle to prevent accidental discharge. Third is the discharge hose, a flexible hose that directs the extinguishing agent from the extinguisher to the fire. Fourth is the discharge nozzle. It is the end of the hose where the extinguishing agent is suspended.
Next is the discharge orifice, the opening at the end of the discharge nozzle where the extinguishing agent is expelled. And next is the pressure gauge, a gauge that indicates the pressure inside the extinguisher, ensuring that it is ready for use.
Next is the data plate, a metal or plastic plate attached to the extinguisher that provides important information such as type of extinguishing agent, capacity, and the instructions for use. And lastly is the body, the main cylindrical container that holds the extinguishing agent.
There are different types of fire extinguishers designed to combat specific causes of fire. Number one is the water extinguishers, suitable for Class A fires involving ordinary combustibles. Number two, foam extinguishers, effective against Class A and Class B fires. Third is the carbon dioxide extinguishers, used for electrical fires Class C and flammable liquid fires Class B. Fourth is the dry chemical extinguishers, suitable for Class A, Class B, and Class C fires. Fifth is the dry powder extinguishers, specifically designed for fires involving combustible metals. Lastly, sixth, wet chemical extinguishers, designed for fires involving cooking oils and fats.
Now let's demonstrate how to use a fire extinguisher. Remember the acronym TPAS. T for twist pin to break safety seal and unlock the fire extinguisher. P for pull the safety pin. A for aim the nozzle at the hose at the base of the fire. S for squeeze the handle or lever to discharge the extinguishing agent. And S for sweep from side to side until the fire is completely extinguished.
By understanding the nature of fire, its classifications, and how to use fire extinguishers effectively, we can significantly reduce the risk of fire-related incidents. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Stay safe.
These are your classmates. I am Marcos Ivan de Austria.
I am Kenchadot S. Liñega.
And I am Brian V. Del Rosario. Stay safe and extinguish on.
from 1201 batch 2023 to 2024.
Yay!